every single day, more than 280 million people around the world battle depression. Millions more struggle with anxiety, stress, or racing thoughts they can't control. What's even more alarming is that these numbers are still climbing, especially after the pandemic. But here's the shocking part. Most of us never learn one of the simplest tools for protecting our mental health. No therapy bills, no complicated apps, just a notebook and a pen. And yet, most people fail at journaling. They start, write a few pages, then give up because it feels awkward, confusing, or pointless. The truth is, journaling is not just scribbling random thoughts. It's a science-backed method proven to lower stress, improve mood, and even strengthen memory, but only if you do it the right way. So today, we'll explore 10 practical, science-backed ways to start a mental health journal and how you can make it a habit that actually transforms your life. Number 1, start with a brain dump. Your brain is like a crowded room. Everyone's shouting at the same time. Deadlines, worries, old memories, new fears. No wonder you feel overwhelmed. A brain dump clears the room. Write down every single thought in your head. No grammar, no order, no filter. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading. It signals to your brain that the thoughts are stored somewhere safe, freeing up mental space. Think of it as cleaning out your closet once the clutter is on the floor. You finally know what you're dealing with. Number 2, use the 2-minute rule. Most people quit journaling because they think it takes 30 minutes. But here's the secret. Start with just 2 minutes. Set a timer. Write 1 word, 1 sentence, or 1 messy bullet point. Research on habit formation shows that tiny actions beat big resolutions. 2 minutes often grows into 10 without effort, but even if it doesn't, you've still won because you kept the promise to yourself. Number 3, track your mood. You can't manage what you don't measure. That's why therapists often recommend mood tracking. Each day, write 1 line. Today I feel, and rate your mood from 1 to 10. Add 1 reason why. Over weeks, you'll spot patterns. Maybe your stress spikes after late night scrolling. Maybe your mood lifts after morning walks. This simple practice turns vague feelings into clear data, and that awareness is the first step to change. Number 4, flip to gratitude. Your brain is wired to notice danger more than joy. It's called the negativity bias. That's why we remember criticism longer than compliments. Gratitude journaling flips that script. Every night, write 3 small things you're grateful for, not just big wins. Maybe it's your favorite snack, a funny meme, or the way sunlight hits your window. Studies show gratitude writing improves sleep and increases resilience against stress. It's like giving your brain a daily vitamin for optimism. Number 5, use powerful prompts. Staring at a blank page can be intimidating. That's why prompts work. They guide your brain to focus. Here are 3 powerful prompts you can write daily. Number 1, what's one thing I handled well today? Number 2, what triggered my stress? And how did I respond? Number 3, if my best friend felt this way, what advice would I give them? Prompts pull you out of rumination and into reflection. It's like having a gentle coach whispering the right questions. Number 6, write the letter you'll never send. We all carry unsaid words to a parent, an ex, a boss, even ourselves. Holding them in creates pressure. Journaling offers a safe release. Write the raw, unfiltered letter. Say what you could never say out loud, then close the journal. You don't need to send it. Therapists often use this in grief and trauma work. Writing releases emotional weight without causing harm. Number 7, blend words with art. Not every feeling fits into sentences. Sometimes it's shapes, colors, or symbols. Mix words with doodles, sketches, or even printed photos. This is called art journaling. Research shows combining creative expression with writing boosts self-awareness and emotional healing. Think of it as graffiti for your soul, private, messy, but deeply honest. Number 8, write as your future self. When you're stuck, It's easy to feel like things will always be this hard, but journaling can trick your brain into hope. Write as your future self, maybe 5 years from now, who has already healed. For example, I know you're anxious, but you figured it out. Here's how. Narrative therapy uses this technique to reframe problems. It pulls you forward instead of trapping you in the past. Number 9, use tech, but wisely. Paper is powerful, but maybe you prefer digital. Apps like Dailyo, Reflectly, or Journey let you track moods and journal quickly. But here's the catch, turn on airplane mode while you write, otherwise journaling time becomes Instagram time. Digital journals can be game changers for people with ADHD or busy schedules. Since they send reminders, just don't let the tool become the distraction. Number 10, create a ritual. The biggest reason people quit? They forget. The solution, attach journaling to an existing habit. Psychologists call this habit stacking. For example, journal right after brushing your teeth or while sipping your morning coffee. Think of journaling as brushing your brain. You wouldn't skip dental hygiene. Why skip mental hygiene? Journaling is free, it's private, and it works. Multiple studies show it lowers stress hormones, improves immune response, and even helps people recover faster from emotional trauma. It's not just writing, it's rewiring. So here's the question. Which of these 10 ways will you try tonight? Will you brain dump your thoughts, track your mood, or write that unsent letter? Drop your choice in the comments. And remember, a mental health journal doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be honest. Every word you write is a step toward healing.